Hello guys, good evening. Today I am here in the Lauchi Bridge and people are catching fish with the net. Look guys, at this time the weather is very lovely and clear, and at this time I am really enjoying. Look guys, they are very expert for the catching fish, and this is the traditional technique for the catching fish, and they are the Boro people. Look, the water is very overflooded, and look guys, water is flowing very deep, and at this time the water is very constantly flowing. Guys, look guys, the water is jumping from the top of the side. Look guys, all the beautiful. This is the Lauchi Bridge guys. Look, Boro people are catching fish with the net. At this time the weather is very lovely and clear guys. Look, what a beautiful live water. All guys, look. Anyway guys, thank you. See you then.